Hello guy and welcome back to PUBG Killer channel on YouTube again, and today in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to actually enable the dark mode on your messenger app across all device, all platform. But in this video I only do it for Android purposes only, so for iPhone or iPad will be later, but maybe not or something, because I am now becoming an Android fan right now. So this is the Mi Pad 1. I am also going to do the gameplay experience on this Mi Pad 1 also in the next video. So keep up and stay tuned and waiting for my next video to release, and you will see how this actually perform with gaming on all sort of game. But I think I should choose only two type. One is the PUBG and another one is the Vainglory. Okay, so now let's not wasting our time. Let's learn how to actually turn this into the black mode. So in order to turn this into the black mode, all you have to do is to get into the messenger app and then looking for your friend, the guy who you can chat with, no matter how annoying you are, that you can still chat with him. Alright, so I found this guy here. Okay, so now all I have to do is to go into the messenger tab in here, and now you can type a message, something like that, but we're not going to type any random message, but we are going to type a specific emoji sticker. Again, I repeat, we are going to send a specific emoji sticker to actually enable this dark mode. So all you have to do is to go into the sticker tab in here. You can see the face near the like button here, right there. Yeah, now press on that. Now you get into sticker GIFs emoji, something like that. Now all you have to do is to go into the emoji tab right there, and you will see something like that. And just get into your sticker, look around and search for the moon sticker, but not the full moon, just half moon sticker. Okay, now let's browse the full moon sticker. Oopsie, it say you want to close. Okay, just closing it. We are turning it back on again. Okay, where's messenger app? Messenger. Okay, now get back to the guy that we just pressed in. Now tap into the sticker, go into emoji. Now tap on the face. Now you got a lot of choice, and after that all you have to do is to search for the moon sticker. So search for it. Wait, what? Man, it somehow didn't work pretty well. I'm gonna wait. Now I pressed it. Oh wow, God, what is happening? Okay, again, maybe I better change chart. Okay, let's get into this one. Tap on chart head, give to review, sticker, emoji, right there, swipe there, swiping up. Oops, it's not swiping up. I don't know why. Try to swipe up, but it's not. Okay, here you go. Now you got the sticker. And we're going to tap this one, the moon, the half moon only. This is the half moon only. Now press on that. Once you have pressed on that, you will see that it actually appear in here in your chart box like there. And now all you have to do is to press send. Boom. Woo! So when it is sent, it actually fall down some kind of sticker. I mean the emoji, the moon emoji down there. And now all you have to do is to get back into your entire app home, messenger home, and then tap into your name right up there. Oop, that was search. No, we're going to name there, your logo, your profile picture, and all you can see is that there is something like right here. It said dark mode. So before you sending the sticker, sending the emoji, this is not appear up here. It's blank and completely nothing over there. But once you have sent that emoji and you can see the moon falling down there, and this start to appear inside here. So all you have to do is to toggle it on, and you get to play with the dark mode on Messenger app. So let's toggle it on. Woo! Here you can see this is how you actually enable the dark mode on your Messenger app. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, or having any idea, just leave down your comment right in the comment section below. Also, if you want to get some interesting video in the upcoming future, just click on subscribe button, and also if you don't want to miss any new video that we have uploaded, just don't forget to ring the bell as well. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.